Do you run a business and feel stressed because your stock is always out of control? What if I tell you that you can manage your entire inventory using only Excel? No expensive software, no monthly fees, just smart Excel. Stay with me because this can completely change the way you run your business. Welcome back to Data Universe BI. I am your instructor Rashid. Today I'm going to show you something very powerful, something every small and medium business needs, a complete inventory management system built 100% in Excel. Many business owners tell me the same problems. My stock disappears, I don't know how much I sold, and I can't see where my profit went. If you also face these issues, don't worry. This Excel tool solves all these problems in one place. This system helps you manage your stock, sales, purchases, profit, and alerts automatically. You only enter your data once, and the software does the rest for you. Stay with me because in the next few minutes, you will see how simple, smart, and powerful this tool really is. This Excel inventory tool works for almost every type of business, including retail stores like clothing, electronics, and general stores, wholesale businesses that buy and sell in bulk, e-commerce sellers such as Instagram stores, small manufacturers who need raw material tracking, pharmacies managing medicine stock and expiry, restaurants and cafes that track ingredients and daily usage, stationery shops handling books, pens, and supplies, hardware and spare parts shops. If your business needs to manage stock, this tool is perfect for you. Now, let me show you how this software works step by step. And trust me, you will be surprised to see how powerful Excel can be. Now, let me walk you through the main dashboard of this Excel inventory system. This dashboard gives you real-time insights into your business, all in one simple view. Everything updates automatically based on your sales, purchases, and stock data. At the top, you will see the key summary numbers. Total products shows how many items you have. Stock value is the total value of your current inventory. Sales value shows how much you have sold. Purchase value shows how much stock you bought. Total profit gives you a quick look at your earnings. And stock alerts shows how many products are low in stock. These numbers help you understand your business performance in just a few seconds. Below that, you will find two charts. The first one is sales by top 5 products. This chart shows which products are selling the most, so you know what is performing well. Next is sales by top 5 salespersons. Here, you can compare the performance of your sales team, which is very useful for targets and commissions. At the bottom, you have the daily sales trend chart. This shows your sales day by day, helping you spot strong days, slow days, and overall patterns in your business. This entire dashboard is built in Excel and updates automatically. You don't need to check multiple sheets or do any manual calculations. Everything you need is right here in one clean and powerful view. Right now, we are on the product master page. This is where all the product details live. We can see product names like Lenovo Workstation, Cisco Office Suite, Logitech Monitor, HP Laptop, and many more. We also see different brands, categories, prices, and reorder levels. All the information is clean, organized, and easy to read. Each row shows a full story of a product, its name, company, brand, and even how much it costs to buy and sell. If you want to add a new product, there is a big black Add Product button on the top right. Simple and fast. First, we click on the Add Product button and look. A new page opens up with empty boxes for all our product details. Product ID is auto-generated. We have 195 already products in our database. This is product number 196. The product name, the category, and the subcategory. We can also enter the company name, the brand, and the unit of measure. Next, we fill in the purchase price, selling price, and the reorder level. Everything is very clear and easy to understand. Once all the information is entered, we simply press the Save Product button at the bottom, and just like that, the data is saved into our database. This makes managing products feel so smooth. No stress, no confusion, just type, save, and done. Now let's move to the next part of our system. After adding products, we also need to manage the people who supply those products. So let's check out the supplier section. To open the supplier page, we simply click on Suppliers in the menu bar on the left, and right away, the supplier master page appears in front of us. Here we can see a full list of all suppliers. It shows the supplier ID, supplier name, company name, contact person, phone number, email, city, GST or tax number, status, and address. Everything is displayed in a clean table so we can easily find what we need. This page helps us know who we work with, how to contact them, and which suppliers are active or inactive. It keeps all important information in one place. And look at the top right corner. There is a nice black button that says Add Supplier. With just one click, we can add a new supplier whenever we want, simple, fast, and organized. Once all the information is entered, we simply press the Save Supplier button. That's it. Your new supplier is now saved into the system and ready to use. To open the customer page, all we do is click on Customers in the menu bar on the left. And just like that, the Customer Master page appears in front of us. This page shows a complete list of all customers in our business. Everything is organized neatly in a table, so it's very easy to read and understand. We can see the customer ID, customer name, contact number, email, city, and the customer type, like cash or credit. We also see the credit limit, the customer status, their address, and any special notes written for them. This helps us understand our customers better. For example, who prefers quick delivery, who is a bulk buyer, and who is a preferred customer. All the important information is right here in one clean view. And if we want to add a new customer, there is a nice black button on the top right that says Add Customer. With one click, we can create a new customer profile anytime we want. Here we just enter all the details of the customer. And when all the information is ready, we just press the Save Customer button. That's it. Our new customer gets saved into the system instantly. Now let's move to another very important part of our Inventory Pro system, the Sales section. To open the Sales page, we simply click on Sales from the left menu, and just like that, the Sales entry page opens in front of us. This section helps us record all outgoing stock, which means everything we sell to our customers. Here, you can see a clear list called Sales History. It shows important details like invoice number, invoice date, customer name, payment mode, payment type, salesperson, product sold, quantity, price per unit, total amount, discount, tax. This makes it very easy to check who bought what, when they bought it, and how much they paid. And on the top right, we have a black Add Sales button. Whenever we make a new sale, we click on this button to record the sale in the system. Now let's see how to create a new sales invoice in our Inventory Pro system. This step is very easy and everything is already set up for you. This clean sales invoice screen opens. The system automatically generates a new invoice number. For example, before this, we had 566 invoices in the sales database. So now, the system has created invoice number 567 for us. We don't need to type it. It is automatic. The invoice date also comes from today's date, so it saves us time. After that, we only need to fill the remaining information. When we click Save, the system creates our new invoice. All the details are saved into the sales database, and the invoice becomes part of the sales history. If we want to check an old invoice, we just enter the invoice number and click Find. The system will show the details of that old invoice. If we need to make changes, like editing quantity, price, or customer name, we simply update the details and then click Update. The invoice will be updated in the database. This form makes the whole sales process fast and smooth. No confusion, no mistakes. Everything is automatic, clean, and easy to manage. Now let's quickly revisit the purchase section. Here you can see the full database of all purchases we have made. including purchase IDs, dates, suppliers, products, quantities, totals, and more. This helps us easily track everything we bought for our business. If you want to add a new purchase, simply click on the Add Purchase button just like the process we followed in the sales section. Now let's take a look at the stock summary. This is one of the most useful reports in the whole system. When we click on Stock Summary from the menu, this beautiful report opens. At the top, we get three quick numbers: 5,842 purchased, total items we bought; 4,671 sold, total items we sold; 1,171 current stock, items still available in our inventory, items that need urgent attention because they are running low. These numbers give us a very clear idea of our business in just one glance. Below that, we see a complete list of all products with their important details: product name, category and subcategory, purchased quantity, sold quantity, current stock, reorder level, status, stock value. The status column is very helpful. Green means the product is in stock. Yellow means short stock. We should restock soon. Red means problematic. Maybe stock went negative or something needs checking. This report helps us quickly understand which products are moving fast, which items are low, and which ones are doing great. No need to check multiple sheets. Everything is here in one clean table. Next, let's move to the expenses section. This is where we keep track of all the money we spend in our business. This page shows a full history of all expenses in one clean table. It helps us understand where our money is going. In this list, we can see expense ID, expense date, category, like travel, food, office supplies, utilities; description, small detail about what we spent on; payment mode, cash or card; amount, how much we spent. This table gives us a very clear picture of our business costs. On the top right, we have a black Add Expense button. Whenever we have a new expense, we simply click this button and add the details. When we click on Add Expense, this clean form opens on the screen. Fill the details of expense here and press Save to store expense into database. And that brings us to the end of this complete walkthrough of the Excel-based inventory management system. As you just saw, this simple Excel tool can transform the way you run your business. No complicated software, no expensive subscriptions, just clean, smart, automated Excel. With this system, you can fully control your stock, sales, purchases, expenses, suppliers, customers, and profit, all from one dashboard. Everything updates automatically, everything is organized, and everything is easy. If you're a small business owner, shopkeeper, wholesaler, e-commerce seller, or anyone managing inventory, this tool can save you hours of work and help you avoid costly mistakes. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to Data Universe BI. Like this video if you learned something new. Share it with other business owners. Comment below if you want more tutorials like this. Hit the bell icon so you never miss any update. Your support motivates me to bring more powerful tools, templates, and tutorials for your business. You can purchase and download the full template using the link in the description below. This is the same tool you saw in the demo, ready to use, fully automated, and beginner friendly.